Yeah, this is my new addition, 2.5 horsepower United. Finally got it running good after a month. Give me a fit. Had to do quite a few things to it. First thing was hone the cylinder and put new rings in it. Reshim all the bearings. Bearings look fine, just had to reshim them. Valve stems, had to make new valve stems. They were rotted and pitted real bad. Thank goodness I had that lathe and milling machine. It wasn't hard. They turned out pretty nice. The magneto had a crack in one of the magnets, and when I took it apart, it broke the rest of the way. You can see where it's re-welded. Thank goodness a buddy of mine, Ryan from Demon Motorsports, he's a welding genius. He welded it back. I got the magnet recharged, back together. No problems. It was way out of time. I had to advance the timing quite a bit to get it to run pretty decent. The guy had it set for just about top dead center. It wouldn't run. I had to advance it quite a bit. But all in all, the motor's in excellent shape. A little bit of tweaking here and there, and it's fine. 1917.